Hi, my name is Madison Edwards, and this is my factoring guide. So, we're going to try to keep this as short, sweet, and simple as we can. The difference of squares. The equation is a squared minus b squared. So, a plus b times a minus b. Our first problem is 12x squared minus 48. First step, find GCF. The greatest common factor equals 12. We factor it out. 12 times x squared minus 4. Then we look at the difference of squares. X squared minus 4 equals x minus 2 times x plus 2. Final factor form is 12 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. Our harder equation is exactly like this. We follow these same steps to get these answers. This is the final answer. Moving on to the sum of cubes. So the equation for the sum of cubes is a to the third plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So 8x cubed plus 54. Factor out the GCF, which is 2. Now we have 2 times 4x cubed plus 27. We recognize the sum of cubes. A equals 2x and b equals 3. Apply the formula. So 4x cubed plus 27 equals 2x plus 3 times 2x squared minus 2x times 3 plus 3x squared. Simplify. 2 times 2x plus 3 times 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. We follow these same steps, this same formula, to get our harder answer, our harder equation, right? So for the difference of cubes, the equation is a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So the first thing is 18x cubed minus 54. We factor out the GCF, which is 18. We recognize the difference of cubes. So x cubed equals x to the third, and 3 equals 3 to the third. We use the formula. X cubed minus 3 equals x minus 3 and x squared plus 3x plus 9, right? Now we have 18x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 9. So we follow these same steps, the same thing we did up here. We follow it for the harder one, right? And so for our trinomials, we have a equals 1. So basically, it has to multiply to c and add to b. Our first equation, 6x squared plus 12x plus 18. Factor out the GCF, which is 6. 6x squared plus 2x plus 3. We factor out the trinomial if we can. If we cannot, since we cannot, the final answer is 6 times x squared plus 2x plus 3. Follow these same things down here, except we can factor the trinomial. So we factor the trinomial down here by grouping and factoring the common binomial, which gives us this answer. Lastly, for terms grouping, find the GCF of each part, then factor the binomials. So for our first equation, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6, we group the terms into two pairs. As you can see here, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. We factor out the GCF in each pair. X cubed plus 3x squared, the GCF equals x squared. 2x plus 6, the GCF equals 2, right? So x squared times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3. Factor out the common binomials, x plus 3. So x squared plus 2 times x plus 3 is the answer. You follow these exact same steps up here as you follow down here. Do the exact same steps as you do down here. You should get this answer. Thank you.